My YouTube channel again. So guys, in this video we will see how to create a job cluster in Databricks. So guys, for this, first of all, initializing a new Databricks job. So guys, open your Databricks workspace in your web browser and navigate to the workflow icon in the left sidebar. Click on the job tab, select the create a job button and provide the descriptive job name for a new job. Click on the add task button to define your first task. Then configuring your job task. Enter your task name for the clarity. Choose the type of task like notebook, Python, JAR. Then browse to select your specific path and select new job cluster under the cluster section. Click the confirm to proceed to the cluster configuration. After that, defining the core cluster setting. So select the suitable cluster mode. Choose the appropriate Databricks runtime version for your code. Specify the node type for both driver and the worker nodes. Set the minimum and the maximum worker for auto scaling and enable the auto scaling to adjust the resources based on workload, and define terminate after inactive period. Okay, then apply the advanced cluster option. So expand the advanced option section, add custom Spark configuration property if required, set the specify environment variable for your task, attach init script for pre-cluster setup, and configure the library needed by your job, and add a tag for the cost attribution and resource organization. So guys, thank you and have a nice day, and guys, subscribe our YouTube channel for the further informations. I hope this video is very helpful for you.